Operations on large numbers. Adding large numbers. Radha and Mohini have been playing an online game for a month. Radha earned these many points and Mohini earned these many points. How many points did they earn in total? Place the numbers in the place value columns as shown. Then start adding the numbers from the rightmost columns by regrouping the numbers wherever necessary. Addition properties. The numbers we add together are called addends. Property 1. Changing the order of two addends doesn't affect their sum. For example, observe the calculation of these two larger numbers here. Remember, if we interchange the order, the sum remains the same. Property 2. The sum remains the same, regardless of the order, when adding three or more numbers together. For example, look at the calculation of larger numbers here. Property 3. Adding any number to 0 doesn't change the number. The sum is the number itself. Look at this example. Subtracting large numbers. Example 1. A bookstore had a collection of 68,23,812 stationery items last month. This month, they donated 53,17,903 stationery items to schools and community centers. How many stationery items are still left in the store? We will subtract the stationery items donated from the total collection. To subtract the numbers, place them in the place value columns and subtract. Regroup the numbers wherever necessary. So, there are 15,05,909 stationery items left in the store now. Subtraction properties. The number from which we subtract is called the minuend. The subtrahend is used for the number that is to be subtracted. The result of the subtraction is known as the difference. Property 1. If we subtract 0 from any number, the difference remains the same. For example, look at this problem. Property 2. Subtracting a number from itself always results in 0. For example, look at this problem. Property 3. Subtracting 1 from any number gives you the predecessor of that number. For example, look at this problem. Word problem. Example 1. Savita spent Rs 37,42,657 purchasing a house and Rs 2,96,546 for buying furniture. What is the total amount spent by her? Cost of the house is this. Cost of the furniture is this. We will add these two numbers to find the total expenditure made by Savita. So, this is the total amount spent by Savita. Multiplication by 4-digit numbers. Example, multiply 2,894 by 1,624. Place the numbers in the place value columns. Step 1. Multiply 2,894 by 4. Step 2. Multiply 2,894 by 20. Step 3. Multiply 2,894 by 600. Step 4. Multiply 2,894 by 1,000. Thus, the product is this. Multiplication properties. Property 1. The product of a number and 1 equals the number itself. Look at this example. Property 2. When you multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. Property 3. Multiplying two numbers gives the same result, irrespective of their order of multiplication. For example, look at this calculation. Property 4. Multiply two odd numbers and you get an odd number. Look at this example. Property 5. Multiply two even numbers and you get an even number. Look at this example. Division. Division of a number by a two-digit number. Divide 3742 by 27. Step 1. 37 is greater than 27, so divide 37 by 27. Step 2. Bring down the next digit and divide. Step 3. Therefore, the quotient is 138 and the remainder is 16. Checking division. Check your division by using the formula shown on the screen. Properties of division. Property 1. If a number is divided by itself, then the quotient is always 1. Look at this example. Property 2. If a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is the number itself. Look at this example. Property 3. If 0 is divided by a number other than 0, then the quotient is always 0. Look at this example. Word problems. A 1000 milliliters pack of juice was distributed among 7 people equally. How much juice did each person get? We will divide to find the amount of juice each person gets. When 1000 milliliter is divided by 7, it gives the remainder as 6 milliliter, which was also distributed. In such situations, we express the answer as a fraction. Each person drank 142 and 6 by 7 milliliters of juice. Distance, speed and time. Distance tells us how far an object or person travels. Speed indicates how fast something moves. Time measures the duration of the journey. These are the relations between speed, distance and time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Problem: Mohit rode a bicycle at a speed of 5 km per hour for 3 hours. How far did he travel in total? Speed of the bicycle is equal to 5 km per hour. Total time is equal to 3 hours. Distance covered is equal to speed into time. Therefore, distance is equal to 15 kilometers. So, Mohit traveled for 15 kilometers.